Okay, here is the November 22nd, 2011 update of the Plum Creek Railroad. I'm going to start right here with the large unfinished area, which is going to be the train yard. I just have a lot of my old rolling stock and engines on display, take up some room. Matter of fact, all of my engines in rolling stock, except like one engine and a few cars, are at least 25 years old from when I had done this in the past. This will all be train yard area. I have 3 mainline tracks. It's HO scale to add that in. There's 3 tracks that I can run without really tending the engines. Now here's my amusement park. I'm saying mine, but it's my wife and I. Brian and Cindy Klauser have this layout. I'm going to try my best to go slow so this focuses in on some of the detail. Little corner of a golf course over here. There's an N-scale train there, modeled to be an HO scale amusement park ride. We have several other rides running here. There's the haunted house. There's another section here coming in too that's not finished. There will be trestle bridges built here. Maybe I'll get some time this winter when the snow is blowing. Nice laser cut wooden church here. There's a water baptism going on down here at the stream. Up on top is the bed and breakfast. So there's some bear feeding at the feeder back there, and there's lots of people out. Lots of bird watchers there. A couple people at the pool. Just tonight I was working on the walkway coming from the pool up to the house. There's a trolley that runs from the amusement park over here to the state park. Have some water sports going on. We've got some cuties on the beach here. Lila's Lodge. There's Eliza's ice cream shop. Have some detailing to do in this area yet. And jump to the other side here. It's hard to show little things. There's a hawk flying here in the mountain if I can get him in. Here's Vera's Diner. By the way, these are all our grandkids that we have the different businesses named after. We have Cora's Mercantile, Slate's Freight, There's Depot. Back there's Jacob's Car Care. Get past the town there, we'll coming into the farm area. Personally, I like doing the cliffs. I like doing the cliffs, rocks, and all the odds and ends you can do in between. There's just absolutely no end to the cool things you can do. Here in the mountain, there's a little bit of skiing going on. A little bit of snow up there. Now a whole string of cars that are stenciled with our grandchildren's names. They seem to enjoy that. Here we're having a dog wash affair going on. We're here, they're hoeing weeds in the garden. And a fellow picking some apples too. Now we're coming back here to the area where I started. In along the back there's a mine. That's looking half decent. There's a bakery back over there. What I really like about the layout is the wireless control. This Florida Coast Railroad engine is the one new one that I have. Florida East Coast. I guess that's all.